My name is Brian Kalmanson. I am a commercial insurance specialist with the Kirk Miller Insurance Agency. Modus solves a number of problems that our community association clients have. Most importantly, California Earthquake Authority, while it's a great resource for owners, it doesn't necessarily provide enough. It doesn't provide enough loss assessment coverage. It doesn't provide enough unit interior coverage. And Modus really has been a great solution for that because at commercial insurance rates, individual owners can buy such increased limits of coverage that blanket across their interior and loss assessment, which are the two biggest areas of exposure that CEA doesn't quite capture. Ultimately, when boards are curious about why they should offer Modus to their communities, the best answer is, well, why not? What do you have to lose? Most community association boards want earthquake insurance, but most can't really, afford it. It's not within the budget. And, if you have 100 homeowners in your community, close to 100 of them would want earthquake insurance if it was available. And with Modus, the owners that want coverage can certainly purchase it. And it is something that is pretty powerful when you're discussing with boards, that they can actually offer this to their owners without putting in a tremendous amount of money on the HOA side too. A common question that we do get from homeowners is, well, what happens if we're in a 3-unit building, 2 of us buy it and 1 of us doesn't? Ultimately, with anything insurance, you are purchasing peace of mind for yourself. And with the increased limits that Modus offers, you do have protections for your unit and also your part of the building exterior. As far as owners that aren't purchasing it, really they're just taking on that financial exposure themselves because you're going to be paying for the damages one way or the other. Either you carry insurance for it or you don't. With Modus, you can do that pretty competitively. And for the folks that opt against it, you're kind of rolling the dice a little bit. It is incredibly important, both to our agency and to our clients, that Modus works with highly rated companies, because when it comes to earthquake insurance, if there's a loss, it will not be small. It's going to be large. So you want to have bigger, viable, financially solvent insurance companies, because when something happens, we're not talking nickels and dimes. We're talking tens of millions of dollars or more. You want to make sure these companies can pay the bill, and the companies that Modus has aligned themselves with certainly fit that bill. I would say without hesitation or trepidation that every community association that is even considering earthquake insurance should look at Modus as an option.